Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Kotlin programming language with a practical demonstration. In this video, we will discuss about how to write a Kotlin script in IntelliJ IDE with a hello world program and how to declare and print the variable in the Kotlin practically. So, let's start the session. Here in my Kotlin project there is a src folder. In that I am creating a Kotlin script over here, and the name of the Kotlin script will be the, say for example, first program.kt. So if you do not provide the extension over here, then internally it will provide the kts extension over here. Okay, so here we have created a file in the IntelliJ IDE, and first I have created a project in the IntelliJ IDE, and then I have created a file to give you the practical demonstration for the getting started with the Kotlin. Here I am creating a function. There is a fun is a keyword to create a function. So here I will write fun, and then I will write a main over here. So here I am creating a function with the name main, and this is what our main function is. And over here I need to call the main function from here on the line number 4. So as you can see over here, as I have written a function over here, the function name is main, and this is the starting point of our program. It is giving me an error. You just need to add the dependency to your program. Okay, so here I have done that. I have added the dependency and applied the class path to the particular project. So as you can see over here, there is a library. Now the library is available for this project. So there are no any error now. Here I will write just a print method over here. So there is a print and println method also available in the Kotlin with the different parameter. See, you can see over here in the print method there is a different data type available. Say for example, print method with integer, byte, character, long, and there is a println also. So here I have written println method. In that method I will write a hello world. Okay, so here I am just saving the file. To run the file, I will go in the run and clicking the run command. It is asking me that which file you want to run. I just want to run the first program.kt. So it will build your program. It will take some time. After the building process is completed, you will get the output in the terminal in the IntelliJ IDE only, right? So there is no different command line or no different IDE to get the output. You can directly get the output into the IntelliJ. So you can see over here there is a print command also. I am just running the file again, and as in the output we are getting hello world. Okay, so there are two method available for the output purpose. First is a println and another is a print method. So print is a overloaded method. It will take any parameter with the data type. And then in the line number 3 also I have written a print method hello world to Kotlin. So here I have written two print method. I am just running the file now. See over here we are getting the output hello world to Kotlin. You can provide /n over here also. Now I am running the file. You can see in the output now we are getting hello world. In the next line we are getting hello world to Kotlin. So this /n is also available in the Kotlin, like as a C language. /n is available in the C language also. Here in the Kotlin the /n is also available to provide the output into the next line. So this is the script that we are running over here, and you can see over here this is our program, first program.kt. It is our Kotlin script that we are running into the IntelliJ IDE. In the IntelliJ IDE we have created a project named as a Kotlin, and in that project we have created a script named as first program.kts. So when you run the program, this command will be executed and you will get the output into the particular terminal available into the IntelliJ. So this is what we have done with our hello world. Now I am creating another file. Say for example, the file name is variable.kt, or you can, if you do not provide any extension over here, it will defaultly take the kts. Now I am defining the main function first of all, and then I will call a main over here. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have created a main function and I have called it. So the main function is our starting point of the program execution. So it will execute, it will start your execution of the program when you have written the main function. So in this program, in this file, we will create a variable and then we will print the value of the variable in the different way. So there is just a getting started with a Kotlin video, that how to create a Kotlin file and how to run the file. Here I am creating a first variable. So for example, var first colon integer equal to. So if you are do not provide equal to over here, it means that you are declaring the variable over here. When you run this script variable.kts, we are getting a warning. A variable first is never used. So this program we are getting a warning. It is not a kind of error, it is just a warning. It is seems like that the variable first is never used. So if it is saying like that, you have created a variable but you do not have used that variable yet. So it is just a warning, a kind of warning. This is not any kind of error. Please understand this point. This is just a warning that Kotlin is giving us. So here what we have done, we have just declare a variable over here using the var keyword. Okay, so var, then your variable name, then colon, and then you have to provide the data type of the particular variable. Now what I am doing is I am just assigning the value to the variable. Say for example first equal to 10. Okay, so this is just a simple basic video over here. I will give you another video for the particular variable topic. Now I am running the file. As you can see over here, we are getting two warning now. First warning is variable first is assigned but never accessed. This is our first warning. And second warning is the value 10 is assigned to variable first integer defined in variable name is never used. So Kotlin is directly saying that you have created a variable, you have assigned the value to the variable, but you do not have used that particular variable in your script. That is why the Kotlin is giving the warning over here. So it is very important to understand, if you have created a variable, so if you do not want to use that variable, then just remove it. Here I will print the value, say for example print ln, and then in the string first of all I will write variable first equal to, I just want to print the value of the first variable. For that I have to write the dollar sign and curly brackets over here. Here in the curly brackets I will write first. First is our variable. So now as you can see, now I am running the file. When this file is run, the output we will get the output variable equal to 10. Okay, so here we are getting the output variable first equal to 10. So that is how you can declare a variable, assign the value to the variable. I am creating second variable, say for example var second colon integer equal to 20 on the line number 4. So this is just another way you can create a variable and assign the value to that variable directly by that way. So here I just want to print the addition of the value. So here I am just writing over here plus dollar, and then here I will write a second. Okay, so what do you think about this line? What will be the output of this line? Can you guess the output? It is very interesting to understand this concept. So there is two possibilities, right? The value of the first variable is 10 and then we are concatenating with the second variable. Will there be a addition, or this will be just concatenate the value of the first and second? What will be the output? What is your guessing, my friends? Please write in the comment box what will be the output of this line on the line number 6. Because here we have created a two variable. Now I am running the file. Variable first equal to 10 plus 20. So we are just getting the concatenation value. Keep this point in your mind. We have written into the double quote, we have written dollar first plus dollar second. So this plus operator is used to concatenate the value over here. But what if you want to do the addition of the two values? What is the process to do the arithmetic on the particular variable, on the particular value? So to do so, what we need to do is, here I am just copying and paste it into the new line. Now what I will write is, I will write dollar first plus second. So this is the another way, this is the another approach. You can apply the arithmetic process into the particular variable by using the dollar sign and curly brackets into the Kotlin. So Kotlin is a very powerful language, my friends. You can do like that also. If you want to do the concatenation, you just use the plus sign over here. Now I am running the file. You can see in the output now. Variable first equal to 10 plus 20. Variable first equal to 30. So I am just removing these over here and I will write addition over here. I am saving the file now. Now we will get the proper output. Let me just run the file. We are getting into the output. Variable first equal to 10 plus 20 and addition equal to 30. So as you can see over here, we have done the arithmetic on the particular value to the variable. That value is stored into the variable, and then by using dollar sign and the curly bracket, you can do the arithmetic to the particular variable. So here what we have done, we have created a program for the hello world, and here we have created a program for the just a basic concept for the variable. Here we have created a two variable, first and second, with the different approach. In the first variable, we have first declare and then assign the value to the variable. In the second variable, we have directly assigned the value to the variable at the declaration time. And then we can use the dollar and brackets to print the value of the variable in the print method. And if you want to do the arithmetic to the particular variable, you can use directly dollar sign and curly brackets, and in the curly bracket you can use the arithmetic operator to perform the arithmetic process with your variable. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about data types in Kotlin, minimum and maximum range of the particular data type, and what are the size of the different data type in the Kotlin practically. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.